Ladies and gentlemen, we are here once again at one of the best places on earth. One of them, maybe second. The Brooklyn Cyclones, Coney Island. And we are here to see the team play. Today they're giving out basketball jerseys, which is going to be pretty cool. But we're right here in Coney Island. Check it out. Cyclone all the way down there. I guess this vlog begins now.
My life be like. My life be like.
Alright, so we have finally made it past security. They are handing out the basketball jersey. And we are trying to get one. Oh, I can't wait. So it has begun. They are letting us in. Let's get inside. There goes the tallest player. Go ahead, my love. Go in front of me so you can get scanned.
Really?
Thank you. All right. Here we go. Yeah.
I'll see you out there. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oops, sorry. And there it is. The Cyclones basketball jersey.
That was 22. It would have been cool if it was 23. It would have been me, you know? So, yeah.
Oh yeah, next year.
Yeah, oh.
We gotta come back. They give the jersey out because of the year.
Yeah, I know. So next year.
So we got year 22.
So next year I get 22.
Yeah, so let's see what you got.
22.
You wanna open it up? You can open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah. Oh wow, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, let's get inside as we go up. What do you get? What do you get? Mystery item, bobblehead. Nice, you got a Coney one. Yeah. All right.
The same one? Come on, give me another one, baby.
We're all the same bobblehead. Would you like a sanitation foundation water bottle instead?
Whatever, we got them on.
Yeah, it's really good. But I know what they got there.
I'll take the Coney. I'll take the Coney.
All right, thank you.
We got two of them. Oh yeah, the king, right? All right, so we got inside. We did the spin wheel for $5 each, $10, and we both got a Robinson Cano bobblehead, which was pretty cool. We're looking to trade them actually right now, but let's see what happens throughout the night. But we're gonna continue on to the around the stadium and show you around a little bit, and continue this vlog. Let's see what happens.
Prohibits trespassing on the playing field, interfering with baseballs that are in play, throwing objects, using foul, obscene, or derogatory language, the excessive consumption or any underage consumption of alcohol, disruptive behaviors, accessing areas of the ballpark without a proper ticket.
Don't start nothing, it won't be nothing. That's all.
The misuse of tickets. The Iron Birds are number 25, Isaiah Page, number 15, Forrest Herman, number 11, Zach Cole. The manager is number 12, Roberto Mercado. And now the starting lineup for your Brooklyn Cyclones. Leading off, the left fielder, number 23, Matt Rudick. Hitting second in center field, number 25, Alex Ramirez. Batting third, playing first base, number 3, JT Schwartz. Hitting fourth, the designated hitter, number 1, Nick Gaddis. Batting fifth in right field, number 20, Stanley Consuegra. Batting sixth, the second baseman, number 4, Jose Perroza. Batting seventh at third base, number 9, Jalen Palmer. Hitting eighth, the shortstop, number 8, Shervin Newton. And batting ninth, the catcher, number 7, Jose Mena. On the mound this evening for your Brooklyn Cyclones, left-hander, number 35, Garrison Bryant. The pitching coach for your Brooklyn Cyclones, number 49, AJ Sager. The bench coach, number 45, Chris Newell. The player development coach, number 44, Chris Jacobs. The head coach, number 30, Richie Dennis. And the manager of your 2022 Brooklyn Cyclones is number 5, Luis Rivera.
All right, let's get this game started. Yeah, they got the bagpipes coming out. Pretty cool.
Yep.
And when the Saints go marching in. Hey, beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Play ball.
Nicole Dose.
Yeah.
2022 Brooklyn Cyclones. Defensive alignment for your Brooklyn Cyclones this evening. In left field, number 23, Matt Rudick. Center field, number 25, Alex Ramirez. In right field, number 20, Stanley Consuegra. At third base, number 9, Jalen Palmer. The shortstop is number 8, Shervin Newton. At second base, number 4, Jose Perroza. At first base, number 3, JT Schwartz. behind the plate, number 7, Jose Mena. And on the mound, right-hander number 35, Garrison Bryant.
Alright, so the Cyclones made it out of the first. Now we're going into the bottom of the first. And let's see if they can score a run against the Baltimore Orioles affiliate. See what happens. Beautiful Coney Island. Alright, so at the bottom of the second, the Cyclones have a runner on first. And he got picked off. He got picked off for the third out.
Don't miss the action. Get your go-to on the go with SNY's new app. The only place to stream live Mets games.
Seagull's got something going on over there. He's giving out something free. But the Cyclones are still batting. In the bottom of the third. And
Fans, tonight's game honors the essential workers of the New York City Department of Sanitation. People who keep New York City clean, healthy, and safe.
That's right, baby.
At the plate, the shortstop, number 8, Sherman Newton.
He's back again. That's right, his name is Sandy the Seagull. Oh, they missed him at first base. They almost doubled him up, but he dropped the ball at first. Man, but the Cyclones are down by 1.
The catcher, number 13, Ramon Rodriguez.
He's refilling it.
He put more popcorn in his thing and he took the bag. Oh! He gave him the empty bag and took the full bag. He took back his empty bag.
Favorite condiment, who's it going to be? Ketchup, mustard, or relish?
Here they come down the third baseline. It looks like Mustard is in the lead. Trailing behind Mustard is Ketchup, who just took the big win on the 4th of July. Following Ketchup is Relish. It looks like they're just trotting down. It could be anyone's race. Doesn't seem like they're really putting it on. Wait, Mustard is picking up the pace. Ketchup is trying to get to Mustard. This is, down goes, Ketchup leaps over Mustard. Relish leaps over Mustard. Ketchup for the win!
That game is rigged.
Ketchup, Relish, and just couldn't muster up the win. Mustard. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Nathan's famous hot dogs! I'm starving. I can't wait till Wednesday, Wiener Wednesday, buy one, get one free. I'm gonna go pick up some of the hot dogs at the Dive Post. I'm watching my weight. Back to you, Rick.
Hey, Wednesdays. Buy one, get one free. Hot dog. That's the guy from Yankee Stadium that has the rabbit. He's here at the Brooklyn Cyclones. Just so you know. The guy with the rabbit, you see him all the time with the rabbit, but he doesn't have the rabbit here though. Which is...
Where's your rabbit?
Word, right? Where's the rabbit? Anyway, let's continue. Oh man, he got that one. Cyclones are still down by 1. It's the bottom of the 5th.
That brings on the first Brooklyn Cyclones run of the game. National Grid wants you to be safe at home like your Brooklyn Cyclones. Keep your flashlight batteries charged and have new ones ready in case the power goes out.
So
that's how you can be safe at home like your Brooklyn Cyclones. Courtesy of National Grid. The catcher, number 7, Jose Mena.
1-1. Tied ball game in the bottom of the 5th here. And the Cyclones score 1. Down the line.
At the plate for your Brooklyn Cyclones, the center fielder, number 25, Alex Ramirez.
Cyclones are now winning 2-1 in the bottom of the 5th. 2 outs, man on first and third. Let's see if we get another run here. So that is it from for this video anyway, from the Brooklyn Cyclones. We'll be back again for another video. And oh, there goes my guy. All right, check it out, check it out. Oh, yeah. Hey, that's how we end the video there. Oh man, good stuff. So we are out of here. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you like this type of content. And we'll be back with another one very shortly. And so long and see ya.